Sì, appena, si viene.
Dai, ma. Da un stesso in cascia, The old one.
You're happy, Honorable?
Yes, of course.
So what are you going to tell Dave now?
To tell who?
Because you have to explain to Dave now.
To Dave. You have to look for yourself sometimes.
Come see it. If you want to see the nation, how Maltese fireworks of petards will consist. He can show it to you by his mouth. So fire by his mouth. Hey, look at him. He's gonna show you the sound of Maltese. Davide, watch it. Yes, sir. Come on,
Dak u l-pedestal.
look at him. So, Davide, watch it.
Aħna l-wieħed baxxa.
I was trying
Sorry,
to explain
no
to
problem.
Dave who was presenting.
Dawn. Josef, inti.
I was trying to explain to Dave about these things. How can I explain this in an email?
Well, I hope to make some good footage. Maybe it will be a lot clearer.
Send it to him.
Yeah, sure.
There is all good. This is good. Let's look at them. This is
مرة هو الصجيبة بس نعمل لنا من الأول ما حملش مباراة نفتوها. بس هذا شنو ما؟
That's the most common knot we use in fireworks.
Yeah.
Pilar. We call it in Maltese, we call it pilar.
Pilar? Like the knot you made. Iceland?
License li kon permess fuq.
Da. Għaxa għabel kien għu s-siju.
Qabel kien hawn issiju. Mbagħad kien hemm Kevin waraj.
Semmi.
Hekk kien jew.
لا شفاف ما بشين.
Is this coffee or
Coffee.
Coffee, yes, coffee.
I thought maybe
It's
it's
not allowed to smoke, yeah, so they didn't get
No.
coffee.
I thought maybe it's some kind of strange chemical.
Not chemical.
Hey, you have dogs over here
Coffee and sugar.
They don't use coffee for
for the fireworks. That's for the purple barrage. It's new. We use coffee.
This is the statue of Lourdes. That's where they make the face of.
Okay. I've seen it before on the picture.
Yes, I brought it. You know, I showed it to you.
Is that dog yours or?
Yes, yeah.
Okay.
If you want it, we'll go in these storage areas so you'll see.
Yeah, sure.
You'll understand exactly how
Let's go around first.
But yeah, well, it's only this, the big ones around here. David.
I removed this from here so you.
Yeah, no problem.
Għal-żor, l-żor, daħlu għal. Imma l-żor.
U ma jamlu ċibbor.
Ma daw ma jaħdmu għalla.
Ma jamlux panna, dawk għedin, jisek sejjer, jinnaf għal-fuq, jen fabrika, t-panċa, t-kolostru. You have to explain to Dave now, eh?
Yes, of course.
He's
Not only
going to ask you 1,000 questions.
That won't be a problem.
Bida kont ninżel ma t-toni l-ħabtu għaw.
You see it pierced like this.
Petri, Toni, tiftakru Toni, jaħdem il-nar.
What's this, soap?
Yes,
What's it for?
Number 9.
This we do it like this,
Yes.
so it will slide more easily.
Inside
Through
Inside
not
the-
destroying the tissue of the cardboard too
Exactly.
much. Okay.
And then they will, as you saw, they will paste it.
Yeah.
Ġej taqabtulkom waħda ħadra.
Dawk il-garus noħruġu, nisnalaw mill-lejla mbagħad.
And these are these are the shells.
These have to be.
These are better. These are green ones.
These are green ones.
Yes.
Is that why they're also all
Yes.
green?
No, because the paste is
Green.
And let me show you. These as you can see, the way it is, the cardboard is already strong. They don't need to spike it.
Yeah.
But there are some, like you saw, they need to be spiked.
But like the spiked ones I saw, like the really small
Because
ones
this
are
is
made
much
of like
stronger.
paper
This,
tissue.
Yes, yes.
We make them with the plastic.
Yeah.
It will ease the process.
This is
pro-
like plastic is in it.
Because
No, only the tap is
The
plastic.
The tap is plastic,
The
like
other
the
one's
end point.
It will the process of doing it less
It will
time.
speed it up, yes.
Yes, it. Time consuming, you know.
These are like
it's in Malta at the moment it's illegal.
We're supposed to do it spike.
But everybody.
So if we export, we have to do them with this spike, not like these.
yeah.
These are the tubes that they use.
These are all the tubes you use,
Yes.
like the big guns.
These are all 6 inch.
6 inch. Is that like the smallest size you have?
More or less like 1 inch.
Like yeah, no, but like the smallest tubes you have, the smallest mortars.
This one is smarter, yes, 1 inch.
1 inch
Okay,
For
for like
the
single
comments.
shots.
for the
Yeah, yeah.
comets.
These are 10 inch.
These are for like the big ones.
The big ones, yes.
The big cylinders.
The big. They put them in the shade. Yeah,
Some green barak.
Yes. Those are
I
in the
think-
shade, like he told you to start drying.
Yeah.
And these are a mix of 8 inch and 7 inch.
7 inches also common here.
Yeah.
What
Those
are
are
these?
10 inch.
What are these tubes made of? Like old?
These are, as you can see, are old.
Yeah, no, but I mean like-
oxygen.
They're all like recycled.
Yes, yes.
They're not meant to be
this
for
is
fireworks.
like yes. These are like oxygen, you know.
Yeah.
The guy.
Like gas tanks and
yes,
stuff.
yes.
Oh, ja, ma rejt l-Oscar jofni l-ċevetta. Għandi l-maskaċini. L-Oscar iġun ġattan.
What's this? Like 15 inch? Some
These
of
are
these?
15 inch, like, and even that
For the
one.
big balls, you know.
Yeah.
15 inch. These are 14.
14.
13, sorry, I'm wrong. 13 inch. And that's
15.
the 15.
Is that the biggest one you have, or is
Yes,
that 19?
Then we have another one bigger, 16 inch.
And that
We have
is?
one,
That's not over here right now.
Sorry?
That's not over here right now.
Yeah, it's not here because it's made of from fiber and it is
Oh, you have a fiberglass motor as well.
the only one we have fiberglass.
These are all
To be sure for the really large ones.
This here, this is the mixing room. The mixing room, and when we roll the stars.
Yes. Also everything by hand. Oh no, you have a
This is
star
where
machine.
they
rolling machine.
make the stars, you know?
Like this, I've seen this before.
Yeah, this
yes.
is the where there you can go.
Probably first he will mix up
This the star rolling.
But this is the only star mixer you have.
Yes,
Yes.
the star rolling machine. Alright then.
Yeah.
And then we have in this room where we press the stars.
Yes.
It's another machinery.
Also, yeah, machinery just like a hand press only. Yeah.
That way it's made from it works with hydraulic.
Okay.
I used to remember Uncle Meg. You know,
And
fitness,
yeah,
you have to go up there. It's still there. He's
Still there, but no more.
no more wearing. He's not working anymore. Because in the old days we used to
Part-time
go
farmer.
over here.
To do the
That one
stars.
is new, eh? I don't.
That's a new building.
So we have to go up there, over there.
Yeah.
We used to work over there.
And this is like where you press
The
stars.
machinery for pressing
You can
the.
smell it.
Where they make the stars, you know, they have all the
parts
views.
of it.
Yeah,
Of the machinery. It is the. Let's see, 22 millimeter.
Mm-hmm.
Then there we have all the different
Sizes.
sizes.
There's a lot of them.
Naħseb tal-esti daw, intom. Sa tennew għedin, sa talku bil-dem. Naħseb rebba
What are these? Are these like the...
stars,
These are
small.
small stars, the green stars.
probably for the center.
Okay, for the...
For the pistol. For the pistol.
Okay.
The center of the
Of the center of the color.
Can you tell what color they are from
Yeah,
looking
these
at
are
them?
green.
Green.
These are green. How do you know?
Green gun.
You prepared them.
Probably he was the guy who done the...
It's not like you can see from the outside. Oh,
You
that's
can tell from the outside because the color is dark. Like for instance, white is grey.
Yes.
They
Okay.
have grey color. Or red, it's light brown.
More brownish.
It's like more in closer to the color of the effect.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay.
These are all shapes for different
For different type of
round stars.
round stars.
Yes.
So
Because to make the changing stars.
Yes. So you have to put layer over layer and stuff.
Arrive. We call them arbil, those in Maltese. Għax għandi l-mortali kolla għandu kollu xaw l-ismijiet. Nejta arbil, l-nerf sunu niktibom l-stanar, kif daħaltuni ta' l-ismi.
Ikun xi translation
Ejwa, li għabli għan.
Ikun hemm xi għal li waqt li ma jżirx jagħmilha.
What's this for machine? What's this?
This it's like a crusher. Yeah. Because
It's like shredder.
Oh.
Okay, this is shredding.
exactly. This we use here.
Like old cardboard or something?
No, not shredder, crusher.
Crusher.
Yes.
This, you know, in fireworks we use the clay.
Yeah.
Like for fountains, the
For the
base
fountains.
of the fountain
Yes.
is made from clay.
Yeah.
And the clay we bring it from near the sea. It will be like a big.
And this is like
rocks.
you are pressing the clay, like this
we put
machine.
it inside here.
Yeah.
It will be crushed and it will
Becomes
be.
powder.
And then
it
there
becomes
you have
powder.
the product. you
Yes,
want.
it becomes powder and then you fill up the fountains.
Yes, yes. Okay.
These
These are the machineries we use.
Everything handmade.
But this is like electric or not?
Yes, electric.
Is this the only? Yeah.
Even that one, it's electric.
Yeah.
And the.
But it is how it is made. It is made that it is safe.
But this, yeah, anti-static.
Even the wires are all the compressor. It's another room, like here.
Yes. safety precautions
Yes,
first.
definitely. That's number one. Safety is.
Like even here, this one, this star rolling machine, it's there, but we put it outside, and
Yes.
they rolled outside or in the other room.
Okay.
Here it's just the
This is
The pricing of the stars, not anything else.
Because Conrad,
Yeah.
at this time, most of this production here is finished because now time is running out.
even
1.5 months they have to do the
It's
job.
the first
So the process of the stars is
even
finished.
the water that we use. As you can see here, it's
Yeah.
deionized water. For
Okay.
safety precautions.
Yes, it has
It's
to
not
be-
just the tap water.
No, you can't.
Corrosive material.
Even that one I see at America also uses.
What are you using this for?
That's it's used for cores.
For the cores for the stars.
For the small stars like this.
Oh,
like
yes,
the
yes.
district, for the districts.
But has every star, every star you make, does it have a core?
Yes.
Yeah.
And also
the,
it's all
the,
contains of
rolling,
this.
the road stars.
Yes.
Every road stars it have a core, the base
Yes.
of it. You insert it, that one like a packet of this. You put it,
And then it start.
In the machine, then you put like
and you put
gum
some composition and some water. Some composition,
and
so you
ethanol,
install it.
right?
Sorry.
an ethanol solution then.
That
So
also,
it will,
because
mix
here
up
in
a bit.
Malta, the stars are based on two processes. We have the gamma rabic
Yeah.
dextrin stars,
Yes.
and then we have other stars, which is a bit. Now it's in the. It came in the. Yeah, good. Now it came in the sea, and the whole point of it,
Yes.
like the dextrin, to melt it, you have to use water, so it will solidify the star. Other materials use phenolic resin, and when you use water for the phenolic resin, it won't.